Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply enable or to clean up your internal memory of your Android phone without deleting any file and save more storage in your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to go to your phone master. So I'm going to click on my phone master right here. They haven't opened up your phone master. Next thing you need to do is to click on storage clean. All right, so next thing you need to do is to simply click on this particular icon right here. That's going to take you right here. You can see auto cleaning. Next thing you need to do is to click on turn on now. Here we go. Now, and you will be taken right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure that app cache is turned on, uninstall residual is turned on. So when you turn on app cache, it simply means that whatever cache any app you are using on a Android phone is going to automatically clean them without losing any important file. Next one right here are residual field. Residual uninstall. Next one right here are uninstall residual. When you remove any apps on your Android phone, some of the system file that is left in the phone is going to be automatically removed. These are the great job of this particular auto cleaning of your Android phone in order to save more storage on your Android phone. That's simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.